Hello everyone, once again welcome back to CHAITU'S World of Automotives. Today we are doing the exhaust note video of all new Kawasaki 2020 Z900. Let's go and hear the roaring sound of Kawasaki 2020 Z900. Special thanks to Kawasaki Hyderabad for giving this opportunity. Visit the nearest Kawasaki showrooms and experience the all-new Kawasaki 2020 Z900. To know the exact on-road price details of all-new Kawasaki Z900, contact the number appearing screen right now. I thank each and every subscribers and viewers of our YouTube channel. Keep supporting us more and more for upcoming automotive updates. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Subscribe now and click the bell icon to get notified when new video is uploaded. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.